To replace your Social Security card online, start by opening any web browser and search for Replace SSN Card Online. Look for the official Social Security Administration website. Make sure it ends in .gov before clicking. Once you're on the site, scroll down and click the blue button that lets you start the application. You'll be asked a few questions to check if you're eligible. First, who is the request for? Select adult or child. Next, are you a US citizen? Then, do you have a US mailing address? This can be a street address, PO Box, APO, FPO, or DPO. Now, do you have a valid driver's license or a state-issued ID that isn't expired? After that, select the state that issued your ID. Then you'll be asked what changes you want to make. You can choose from name, date of birth, place of birth, citizenship, parent's name, or select no changes needed. Finally, they'll ask if you know your Social Security number. If you're eligible, you'll now see an option to get started online. The site will show you a list of documents you'll need, and it also explains which documents won't be accepted. That's it. Just follow the instructions from there, and you're done.